Okay guys, here's my lawn equipment. I do have a small company. I do about 3 or 4 lawns, but I did all that. I have to load over here. And I'm also getting an Aaron's, some 33 inch I think. So comment and tell me if that's good or not. This is cold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all cold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I guess I'll start with this Husqvarna. Okay, gonna flip it up for choke. 1, 2, 3. It was running about 3 hours ago, so. There we go. Husqvarna is boss, if you guys didn't know that. Now here's my lawn boy. 6.5 foot-pounds grass torque with ready start. This one is equipped with key start. Not many of them have it. It is self-propelled. So I just charged up the key start, only for a few minutes. So let's see if it has enough juice. Okay, and that was after not starting for about 3 or 4 weeks. So, comment, rate, subscribe.